To change from the little welding function to the little cleaning functions, we need to change two parts. First, we need to change the focus length here and in this part to change the focus length. Second, we need to remove this part, to remove all this part, and to replace it with this cover. Okay, our engineer is to show us how to make the changes. 好的，开始。
两米5多吧？啊，2米5多吧？啊
？Okay, take out the lens and then remove it. Change to a new focus lens, which is specially for the little welding, little cleaning functions. Okay, focus lens changed. Okay, remove this front part and change it. Okay, then we are ready for the laser cleaning functions. And in the system part here, originally it's the laser welding system. Right now we need to make a change. Click here. Continue. Okay, then we need to power off and restart. This is the sequence. Laser power, chiller, key switch. Then, after a few seconds, we just turn it on in different sequences. Key switch, water chiller, laser source. So you can see here, right now it shows the laser cleaning system already. And right now, we got a system change and we got into the laser gun change. We can do the laser cleaning jobs now. So, setting and the keyword 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we need to make sure I kind of had a model. And we need to choose the larger one, F800. So right now we are finished the changing in the system. In the laser cleaning function, we can make it the laser power 4 capacity, 1,500 watts. So this is no problem. So right now we have changed, and in the scan waves, there is a range, so we can make the change accordingly here. Okay, we can start the cleaning process. Okay, fantastic job here.